Creating storyboards in Descript can take your video production to the next level, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or filmmaker. In this quick Descript guide, you'll learn exactly how to use this software's unique storyboard features to make your workflow smoother, more efficient, and way more creative. If you're new to Descript, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to get started with storyboards and even how you can get access to Descript for free with some exclusive bonuses. More on that at the end. Let's dive right in. First off, Descript is more than just a transcription tool. It's an all-in-one editing software that lets you create professional-level videos, podcasts, and more. And one of its standout features is its ability to create detailed storyboards, which is crucial for visual planning. Start by opening a project in Descript. Once you're in, you'll see your transcription in the timeline. To create a storyboard, go to the Storyboard tab. Descript automatically generates a visual representation of your audio and video, with each segment or line of dialogue linked to its corresponding clip. This is perfect for mapping out your video or podcast from beginning to end. It's visual and dynamic, giving you a real-time, interactive way to see your content flow. To begin creating storyboards, click on the scene that you want to work with. Here, you can add media like images, video clips, or audio directly into the storyboard. You can drag and drop them into your timeline, and Descript will let you place them at specific moments in the video. This is where Descript stands out, letting you plan your visuals alongside your script without needing to jump between separate tools. If you want to rearrange things, it's as easy as dragging and dropping. You can modify text, swap out media, and adjust the flow of your video without interrupting your overall narrative. This real-time visual feedback is exactly what many creators need when storyboarding, and Descript makes it intuitive. One of my favorite features is the ability to add scene descriptions directly in the storyboard. This is where you can make notes, set intentions, or clarify exactly what needs to be in each scene. It's perfect for collaborations, as you can share your storyboard with your team for easy feedback. Also, don't forget Descript's overdub feature, which allows you to make voice edits seamlessly within your storyboard. This tool gives you the ability to tweak your narration or dialogue on the fly, making your video come together even more efficiently. It's great for editing and adjusting your audio track to match your visual flow. Once your storyboard is set, Descript offers powerful export options. You can generate your video in a variety of formats, ready to upload directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or your preferred platform. Before I wrap up, if you want to dive deeper into the platform, make sure to check the first link below. With our exclusive bonuses, you can try Descript for free and get an extended trial, so you can explore all of these amazing features without worrying about a subscription. Remember, Descript's storyboard tool is a game changer, and whether you're creating marketing content, a podcast, or YouTube videos, this software has everything you need to streamline your workflow. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out the link below to start using Descript for free and get the extended trial today. That's it for this guide. Happy storyboarding.